Hey there, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry. But today we are gonna study accounts again because I have more homework in that accounts. And if you are a commerce student, you will understand what I'm talking. Accounts have so much in it. We have to practice so much accounts so that we can score high. Anyways, it's basically my summer vacations homework, and we have been given so many questions, so I'm doing that. And so I hope this video will motivate you to do the same and brings you positivity in your life. Thank you. Bye bye. So, I'm not done with my work yet, but just a little reminder. It's not alcohol, it's pure, white, delicious water. And you know why I'm speaking like this? Because everyone is sleeping. Just kidding. Actually, they are outside of my room, and it's currently actually 10:50, and I told them that I'm sleeping, but I'm not. I'm doing my work. So I love late night work, and they don't allow me to do this because obviously because of lightings, because of dark. I love to work at night because no disturbance. Juliana. That was so pretty. But yeah, I was here just to remind you that if you're working, then don't forget to drink water. Yeah, best of luck. You will win today. Congratulations. I was just writing, and literally it started raining right now. I'm so excited to sleep after completing 15 questions, which I haven't done yet. But yeah, I'm at 11. So yeah, soon I'll be complete and I will enjoy a rainy night. Yeah. I'm kind of sleepy right now, but I want to share with you all a thing that I'm doing recently. Is I am, manifesting a lot, but this thing is so beautiful. I mean, it's not the purpose of manifesting it. I mean, it is, but not in the sense I'm writing it like this. So beautiful. But, like this. I'm just writing it. And, below thing that we have to write our manifesting things in, a piece of paper and just place it into under the pillow every night, so that in the morning you get to know that what you wrote the other day, and you kinda just I'm just too scary because literally it's raining, and in our city, I mean, it's kind of thunder thing happening, so it's really thrilling, sorry, thrilling. So yes, today I'm gonna write two, and without wasting time, let's sleep. Just do it, and I'm just gonna do it, and let's just sleep. Good night.
おめでとう。
おめでとう。おめでとう。
おめでとうに。
おめでとう。おめでとう。おめでとう。おめでとう。
おめでとうね。
おめっとさん。